Hey everybody, how's it going? It's the Daily Shooter, and today I just want to give you guys a sad update on Miller v. Bonta. This is a case that I talked about yesterday, so let's talk about it. This channel is proud to be supported by the USCCA. The U.S. Concealed Carry Association helps responsible Americans like you prepare for what happens before, during, and after an act of lawful self-defense. USCCA members get life-saving education, expert training, plus defense liability insurance. These benefits provide more than 500,000 USCCA members with the peace of mind that they deserve. Plus, a USCCA membership is always risk-free with their 100% money-back, bulletproof guarantee. Membership is truly an investment worth exploring. Click the most important link you might click ever down below and activate your U.S. Concealed Carry Association membership now. So I'm sure you guys have already heard, but just in case you haven't, only hours after making my video update yesterday talking about how the courts haven't moved yet for the stay against Judge Roger T. Benitez's injunction, the courts issued their stay. So the courts were kind of pressured into getting the emergency stay through by the 18th by California. They were trying to get it through just in case California didn't get their way. They would still have time to appeal that, and that time had passed. I made the video on the 21st. The courts hadn't moved yet, so I made an update. And again, right after that, they issued the stay, which means that that July 4th date is no longer relevant. I was hoping that the people of California would get to experience at least some of the freedoms that they deserve. These are the same freedoms that are enjoyed by millions of Americans across the country, but for some reason, because of the government overrule and overreach in that state, people don't get the same freedoms as everybody else. That's supposed to be guaranteed under the Constitution. So again, the courts did issue a stay. Now, it's a stay pending another case. So there's several, obviously several Second Amendment cases that are going through the court system right now that are at the Ninth Circuit. So the Ninth Circuit is basically just trying to play catch up, and until the next one is decided in some way, that's when they'll be able to move on to the next one, and that's when they'll be able to move on to Miller v. Bonta. So it's kind of a lengthy process here. Regardless, there's no more injunction because a stay has been placed on it, and so we kind of lost that. But that does not mean in any way that the fight is over. The case still exists. The law still exists. We still have pretty solid ground that we're standing on in terms of an argument against it. So we're hoping that still going forward, there is a fairly good chance that even upon appeal and maybe bringing it up to the Supreme Court, that we can win this one. So while right now it definitely seems like kind of a downer moment, you know, that we didn't get what we wanted coming July 4th, it's still something that we need to stay on top of. We still need to follow it. We still need to push for it to happen. So it's still an active case in the courts. And so we still have a chance to win here. So while it is a downer, try and keep your spirits up. Hopefully we can get some of this stuff overturned and Californians can get the freedom that they deserve. So I want to thank you all very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.